Hello children, welcome back to the class 5. Let's continue the chapter Shapes and Angles. Let's move on to the next page, number 20. You can see different types of angle in your surrounding. Angle tester. How do we make equal angles? Let us make an angle tester. These both are talking with each other. You also have an angle tester in your geometry box. It is called a divider. So open your geometry box and look in it. You will get this, and it is called a divider. Otherwise you can make with cardboard sheets. Here are given some steps to make it. Cut two strips from a cardboard sheet. Fix them with a drawing pin or such that both the strips can move around easily. Very easy. Just cut two strips from a cardboard sheet and then fix them with a drawing pin. Rohini and Mohini went all around with the angle tester to look for different angles in their class. So you can also do this in your class or at your home. Last year some students had made this type of angle tester, and this is also your project work. You can do it at home. So Rohini tested the angle of the math book and the pencil box. Look at the tester. It has opened like the letter L. So it looks like the letter L. This is a right angle. We write it as L. So if it opens like the letter L, then it is right angle, and we write it as L. Here on page number 21, go around with your tester and draw here those things in which the tester opens like the letter L. Are you sure they are all right angles? So children, we can see angles in our surrounding also, in furniture, in electronic appliances, in vehicles, in playground, etc. See, here I have drawn some picture where the tester open like the letter L. See here in the table. Here the tester opens like the letter L. In the chair also the tester open like L, here also and here also. In the carom board, the tester opens like the letter L. In the night lamp, here it opens like the letter L. In the door or in the cupboard, here also it opens like letter L. So we are sure they are all right angles because the tester opens like the letter L. So these all are right angles. Do you understand, children? Now let's solve some practice question as given. Children, let's do some practice question. Here, look at the angles in the pictures and fill the table. First one is pair of scissors, and here one angle is marked. If you observe, it is less than 90 degree. So tick mark here, less than a right angle. Then second one, here angle marked with red color in the arm. So this is also forming an L shape. So it is a right angle. Now angle formed with the side of a kite. This is also forming an L shape. So it is right angle. Now observe this picture and angle mark here. If you observe, it is a more than a right angle, so tick mark here. Now next picture. Observe this picture and angle mark here. If you observe, it is also more than a right angle, so tick mark here. Okay, now let's move on to the next page. Here on page number 22, second question. Sukhman made this picture with so many angles. Use color pencils to mark right angles with black color. So first we mark the right angle with black color. So children, you should do also with your black pen or black pencil in your textbook. So I am showing here, you do this. Here in the leg, see, these both are right angle. Then in the hand, it is also forming L shape, so it is right angle. This is also forming L shape, so right angle. Here in the hand, in the finger also this is right angle. Here in the horse mouth, here also it is forming L shape, so it is also a right angle. So mark this all angles. And other also, if you find, you can do it. Let's find out more than a right angle and mark it with green pencil. So this is more than a right angle. This is also more than a right angle. These both are, so mark them with green color. Here is also, it is more than a right angle, so mark it with green color. Here also mark with green color, it is also more than a right angle. So these all are more than a right angle. And if you find out other, you can also mark it with green color. Okay, now let's find out that less than a right angle and mark with them blue. So children, let's find out less than a right angle. There are so many less than a right angle in this picture, and we will mark them with blue color. So here I have marked with blue color. Here these all are less than a right angle. Here these all are less than a right angle. Here also I have marked with blue color, this both less than a right angle, and here also less than a right angle. So mark all the angles which are less than a right angle with blue color. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Question number 3. Here question number 3. Draw anything of your choice around the angle shown. Also write what kind of angle it is. The first one is done. So here first one is done, that is made from a less than a right angle, that is acute angle, and it is a mouth of a crocodile, and here written less than a right angle. So also we have to draw anything of our choice, and also we have to write what kind of angle it is. So let's do this all one by one. I have drawn photo frame and it is right angle. Then a house, it is less than a right angle. See here, less than a right angle. Then I have drawn a laptop. It is, see here, more than a right angle. So I have written more than a right angle. Then I have drawn an ice cream cone. See here, it is less than a right angle. So I have written less than a right angle. Then a fish. It is also less than a right angle. So here less than a right angle. You can also draw anything of your choice around the angle shown, and also write what kind of angle it is. Thank you and have a nice day.